God damn! I might tap up right now, man. Woo!
Don't nobody know the shit that I've been through. Don't nobody know the pain that I'm feeling. I've been walking in the rain, searching healing. Feel like I'm climbing up a wall with no ceilings. Any nigga try to try me, they get knocked off. Like the wind, I've been trying to knock your top off. I've been at it feeling like this is the last call. Switching lanes got me swerving, I can't stop now. Don't nobody know the shit that I've been through. Don't nobody know the pain that I'm feeling. I've been walking in the rain, searching healing. Feel like I'm climbing up a wall with no ceilings. Any nigga try to try me, they get knocked off.
What's up, YouTube? Lattice Entertainment.
Lattice Entertainment.
A lot of y'all been asking, you feel me, who came up with Lattice Entertainment. My man's Doc came up with it, but we followed up with it. And then they try to say they ain't follow up with it. I don't even understand.
Man, everybody followed up with it.
But it is what it is, because that's the name, and ain't nobody gonna change it. I mean, that's that for real.
So we ready to do the hot wing challenge. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We got the spiciest wings on the list.
Them hot.
The spiciest wings on the list.
Them hot joints.
We got the hot wing challenge. Whoever either drink the milk or drink the water first, they up some money. $10. We putting $10 on the table. So,
Shake on it.
We all shaking on it. We gotta do the Corona shake, because you know it's social distancing. Read that out loud. That warning label right there.
It say, alright, listen, right? It say warning. Blazing sauce. May. Something. Don't put it. Basically, it say. Don't put it in your eyeballs.
That's what it is.
Don't put it in your eyes.
It's definitely hot.
Don't put it.
It's definitely hot.
Okay.
My lips burn already, damn it. Alright, y'all ready? Dun. Like the drums, you know.
Esports.
Alright, round one.
1, 2.
Hold up, yo. Let me get right.
2.5.
I'm going strong though. This shit give me a headache already.
Go.
Come on, you ready? I can't get it.
God.
Oh hell!
Oh no, you was hot, dummy. God damn! I might tap up right now, man. Woo!
I got here you go.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Yo.
Good is good.
Good as good. I don't know if you them hug. Yo. I wasn't so bad.
Woo! I feel that bitch in my chest. Oh my god.
You said he was gonna be like that too, Devin. Alrighty, Devin.
First one to
Alright, we got your gun, right?
That's my second wing.
Who fucking with them?
You eat it fast when you good, I'm trying to tell you.
Alright, come on. Alright, what's that?
Second wing.
Go.
That bitch still hot, bro. What the?
This shit ain't no joke.
We're doing a video. I gotta change. Oh my god, this shit's still burning.
Yo.
Do milk help, Larry?
Yeah,
That shit burning my tongue. God damn.
Water the glass. Oh. It's like I gotta keep breaking cool. Niggas keep sucking their cool because that shit hurts so bad.
Alright, y'all. Come on, ready?
Go. Fire to the right. Yo, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit, no. Fuck this shit, no. Fuck this shit. Oh. Give up, bitch.
Bro.
Give up. Give up.
You got a week, bro. Holy fuck.
Come on, yo. Come on, yo. Next round, yo. Next round, yo.
Ready? Fourth round. Ready? Oh, my do-rag came with you. That's how hot these wings are.
You motherfucking you psych. Psych. Psych.
Oh, fuck. I gotta put my lips on the bottom.
I don't know.
No.
Fuck though. Yeah, you go ahead. You go ahead and put your lips on the bottom, though.
Y'all don't motivation.
That shit ain't motivated me. Nigga stepped up on the chair, dog. Hey, y'all, see for real, nothing been touched. Except for y'all, you feel me?
Yeah, nothing.
He owe up.
Nothing been drunk.
Nothing been drunk.
Jason was. We remain staying.
Yeah. We can't talk. My mouth hot. Is I don't know what. I need some milk. You dig what I'm saying? What I'm saying? Like for real, like
The battle pot.
for
It's
real.
Lattice Entertainment. We love y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned.
Subscribe, like, subscribe.
Turn on the post notification. Yeah.